Hawaii Pacific University's nursing program offers education for nursing students across all program levels. Nurses are needed more than ever, as you know from the news, and we offer an excellent program that allows the student to really engage with nurses and physicians during their education. We have a Bachelor of Science in Nursing program, a BSN program, which prepares you to be a registered nurse, as well as a MSN program, which prepares students to become nurse practitioners and providers. We have two specialty tracks for that. We have a family nurse practitioner track to be able to see patients across the lifespan in a variety of conditions. Another track that we have is the AGA-CNP track, which is the adult gero acute care nurse practitioner track, which enables the clinician to see patients in the hospital and acute care settings for adults and geriatrics. Then we have a Doctor of Nursing program. It's the first doctoral program at Hawaii Pacific University. You know, COVID-19 really took us for a surprise, as it did everyone else, and so we were needing to quickly adapt to the new circumstances. We pivoted very quickly to an online format in the spring to enable our nursing students to learn their clinical education in a virtual component. One of the latest ways that we've been able to adapt to the COVID pandemic is that we've had the opportunity to collaborate with esteemed colleagues and medical professionals throughout the community to create a free clinic to serve the acute needs of Hawaii's population at this time. Our nursing students will be able to learn alongside of other providers in the community to deliver supervised care through both in-person as well as telemedicine to meet the needs across the lifespan in a variety of medical conditions. This hands-on learning and partnership allows that one-on-one specialized opportunity with a nurse and an organization, hopefully allowing that a springboard into the next steps into their career. The same thing with our nurse practitioners. We have opportunities here in Hawaii as well as across the nation and internationally. Our nursing students are so dedicated. We are so pleasantly surprised. We've really had an increase in applications and interest. People want to serve and give back to their communities and be educated in ways that they can do that. And what that really sends a message to us is that our students are here for the right reasons. We are accepting applications, particularly for the graduate programs. We have rolling admissions for the master's program. Our DNP applications are continuing until August. And then our Bachelor of Science in Nursing, they'll be due in September for the spring start. For more information, you can see us at our website, hpu.edu.
Brought to you by Hawaii Pacific University.